Alright guys, we got Diego's E46 M3. Just came in for a CSL Conversion. Getting some glamour shots of it now, and then it's going to the dyno. Riley here's about to drive it back. Strap it up.
Strap it.
And then we're gonna see what it makes. Probably your normal 340, 350.
Yeah.
Somewhere in there, but...
Looks good doing it.
Yeah, it looks really good doing it. $350 it made?
I think it needs a little more fuel.
What for torque did it make? 272.
It's not bad.
Are you gonna add more fuel?
Yeah, probably.
Was it just like getting lean a little bit?
Yeah, I'm gonna see what it does on the next couple runs here. See if it fattens up a little.
That one seemed much cleaner.
I mean, it's not making any more power. I mean, it was like right on the edge of being good.
Right.
I just trying to make it a little safer.
Right. So you add more fuel? Again?
Nah, not again.
No. Got Alcantara headliner too.
Yeah, they actually did nice on that.
Yeah, I like it.
Not bad. I've seen some pretty bad ones.
What, Alcantara headliners? Oh, I'm sure. What's the final number?
358, 277.
Nice. Alright guys, those are some of the numbers you could get with the CSL Conversion. Hit us up. Yeah, we're gonna end that video here. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel.